So today I think it's mostly a scalp trade part for the second half. I would rather first look at Banknifty. If Banknifty by 130 comes around 500 levels, I would like to short it. Or otherwise, I wouldn't really want to do anything in Banknifty because I think it has to come around those levels for it to go down. On Nifty, also I'm looking for higher levels to short. Wouldn't want to short on VWAP. Same goes with Reliance. I would really wait to see what is Reliance doing around 115, 130 levels. If it is above VWAP, I wouldn't want to short. If it's below VWAP, I would prefer to short. So probably wait for 40 more minutes and see how Banknifty reacts in that time frame. If nothing happens, or if until Banknifty comes, so for me today is all about Banknifty. If Banknifty comes around 37,500 and between 37,500 600 levels, then I would like to short for VWAP. Otherwise, I wouldn't really do anything else today.